Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CATCAM Tech 360. Like, share and subscribe and also press bell icon to get my latest video. Thank you. Hello guys, this is a sheet metal pot which we are going to make a punch and die by using this pot. Okay, let's start. Here go to surface and select exact geometry. Select this punch side skin and apply. Next what I'll do is I'm going to hide the sheet metal pot. Now appearing only sheet, zero thickness of sheet. By using this I'm going to hide this hole. Okay, like this we have to select and apply one by one. Then go to sieve and make it as a single object. Okay, yeah, here one more hole is there. Again go to inside surface and select this and sieve it. Okay, then go for extend sheet, select like this and okay, go for inside surface, select like this one by one. Yeah, here one more curve is there. Okay, we have to select like this. Small curve also we have to select, then only we can get a solid object. Okay, we have selected all and okay, then go for sieve and select all. It will become a single object and solid. We can check it. Yeah, it has become solid. Okay, we have created a punch. I'm going to offset a little bit, then I'm going to change color. Okay, it looks good. Then I bring back pot. Okay, then go for surface and again select your outside skin. To make a die, same thing as well, hide the hole. Okay, like this we have to select one by one. Then select sieve and make it as a single. And extend the this, yeah. Then select your law extension and select this outside curve and also select the direction. Here we have to give angle and distance. Okay, it will not take. I select your direction and top one. Yeah, we got. Then here I'm going to change angle and distance a little bit. I draw it like this. Okay. Okay, it is a perfect. Then yeah, we select this plane and draw here a rectangle. Okay, go to finish sketch and here we have to make a solid body. Okay, go to hide hole and go to sieve and make it as a single. Okay, it becomes a single object and bring back the solid block. Then go to split body and select this and change direction. Okay, yeah, this is the die. Okay, bring back a pot and I go to sketch and draw here one line and I am going to split in top portion of die. Select direction and apply. Okay, it is splitted. I am going to hide this and now I can give a radius. Yeah, this corners. Okay, we have to select one by one like this. Okay, okay, this is the die and I change the color. Guys, if you like this video, subscribe my channel and share your friends. Okay, bring back pot and here I make a rectangle and select this. Okay, go to finish sketch and extrude. Okay, almost we have completed this session. Make it as a single body. Here we have to offset then we can give unite. Okay guys, if you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you guys, we will see in next video.